Here's my 2 male puggles. They are ready to go now. Oh, they're young. Here, let him walk around a little bit, James. Is that one licking you, James?
Yeah.
Aw. Oh, they're sweet. Now that one's a little bigger. The one right here in front, kind of on the ground. And the one walking around is a little bit smaller. They're both males, both ready to go. But the one right there by James right now, he's a little bigger. And he's a little smaller. They're both pudgy though. Here, move your head, James. Oh, they're happy. They're wagging their tails.
They smell.
Okay.